A B-Crew 16 lines laser level is a rechargeable laser level with a lithium battery, and you can use it for over 5 hours with all lines on. Our laser tools can help you with decoration, wall construction, technical construction, etc., which are good assistants for the refurbished yard, professional floor ceiling landscaping crafting work, etc. A 16 lines 4D laser level generates two 360 degrees horizontal planes and two 360 degrees vertical planes that allow users to cover the floor, wall, and ceiling around the room. Slightly press the touch operation keypad to change the laser line combinations in turn. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Incline module available. Press the out button for 3 seconds on the keypad. The lines will be locked. You can incline it to any angle and the alarm will not ring. Touch the out key once and the line will be brighter. Number 2. Aluminum lifting base and wall magnet mounting bracket, both with fine adjusting and horizontal discretion angle to lift the laser machine to a higher place. Wall mounting bracket for vertical direction adjusting. Number 3. Long working hours. Long working time of 5 hours can satisfy your 1 day of work at home or workplace. This set of leveling devices is for both beginners and professionals. You can have precise leveling work with this 16-line laser level. Number 4. Intuitive top keypad. An intuitive top keypad helps you know and operate this level machine quickly. H means horizontal lines and V is vertical laser lines. Out for lock lines module if the long press and for brighter laser if short press. Number 5. 16 lines 4D laser level. Two 360 degrees horizontal planes and two 360 degrees vertical planes allow users to cover the floor, wall, and ceiling around the room. An ideal level machine for floor tile laying or other groundworks. Number 6. Dustproof and waterproof. Rubber-covered machine body can work well in many hard environments and working places. Shockproof as well as practical and necessary in the construction site. Number 7. Wireless remote 30 feet remote control distance. Intuitive operation button for quick control to switch laser beam modules display. Wall mounting magnet bracket for various decoration refurbishment work at home or construction site. The front back knob on the bracket helps both beginners and professionals to finely adjust the laser level machine direction and angle. Number 8. Laser line mode. 4x 360 degree cross line beam lights. Each beam window includes two horizontal and two vertical lines. The laser level is a complete level tool to form a square zone to do any construction work. Number 9. Tilt line mode. Long press the sun icon to lock the lines and you will get tilt lines and the alarm will not ring. Self-leveling within 3 degrees. If the leaning angle is over 3 degrees, what alarm will ring and the light will flash. Number 10. Note: the charger can only be used to charge the battery but cannot be used directly on the machine. Please don't look at the laser beam with bare eyes or it will be harmful to your eyes. So please put this in place children can't reach. Please don't use this in sunlight or the beam light will be invisible. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.